In this video, we are going to see the various properties the OTBI offers for our analytical components. So in the left hand side panel, you can see a lot of properties here with the icons and the prompt like expand, archive, unarchive, delete, upload, copy, properties, and rename, permission, create shortcut. We are going to see the most commonly used ones now. So assume that I would like to make this particular analysis which I have selected as my favorite. So once it's selected as favorite, it will appear for me under the favorites under this particular menu. So in order to add this to the favorites, it's very simple. Just click this more link here. You can see one of the sub menu by name add to favorites. The moment you add it out, you can see the visual difference also. You can see an star which is slightly amber as well as yellow in color that appears on the particular view which you added as a favorite. You can add even the dashboard also to the favorite or whatever the components you would like to add. Whatever you have added, this star will appear for you. So this is about the favorite. Now if you go to the favorite, you would be able to see your view which you have added as a favorite. Secondly, assume I am working on a analysis for which I want to rename this particular analysis. So in order to do the renaming, just do a selection here, either through this toolbar which is available here in the left hand side panel. You can click the rename here, or else you can go to more. From there also you have a same rename sub menu here where you can give a rename here, renamed advanced views. So once you click OK, then this particular view will get renamed, and only thing is like whenever you rename it, as far as that one checkbox preserve the whatever the setting you have done for the old one. If you click that checkbox, whatever the setting you have done for the old one, those things will be applicable after renaming also, else those settings will go off. Now if you observe that favorite that star, that amber color and yellow colored star, that has gone now because we didn't check the checkbox there while doing the renaming. That's the reason those settings have not been preserved for us. Now let me once again go and add this as a favorite so that this star will appear for us. Now assume that I have a requirement where I would like to download this analysis and upload it to another instance. So what I can do is I can simply archive this one. I'm clicking archive here. I'm going to keep all the permissions and timestamps. I want to preserve all the things while taking it to the next instance. The moment you click archive, it's going to get downloaded in your local automatic download folder. Whatever the folder you have set as automatic download, that folder you will see this. It will have the name of the particular analysis.catalog. So you can go to the another instance and you can import it out from there. Assume that this is another instance, so I am going to do the unarchival or importing to this instance. So in order to do that one, let me just quickly rename this one so that while unarchiving you will be able to see the difference actually. So I would say completely different view, advanced view. Okay, I'm going to keep this renamed here and then I'm going to unarchive now. So in order to do the unarchiving, I am going to go to the top folder which is not here actually, so that I will have the unarchive icon being enabled. Click unarchive, it will ask me where is the archival file. So the archival file is stored here in the place, and I'm clicking open. I'm keeping all the settings as it is, clicking OK. Now if you see, you will observe the advanced view, that particular analysis will be listing for you here. So now if you come and see this under this particular folder, I think it has gone into the BIP folder because it has been selected there. So under the BIP folder you can see this particular renamed advanced views. Under this folder it has been unarchived. Now I have unarchived to a wrong folder. Actually it was done with the purpose because I want to see the next one, which is nothing but moving actually. So you can move it to the expected folder. I wanted to move it under the folder which is here. So in order to move it out, you can click more here, and you can click copy here, and you can go to the folder where you would like to paste, and I did the folder selection, I have pasted there. Now if you see, it is saying items with name renamed advanced view already exist. Do you want to overwrite? Yes, I would like to overwrite. It's throwing an error. Let's see what is that error message. Advanced views, we don't have here actually advanced views. This is what we have actually. I think it has this internal name. Let me check the properties of this one. It has AV only. So let me try to I'm moving from here. Do you want to overwrite? Yes. This is throwing error. Good that we are getting an error, so that we would be able to know why we are getting this error while doing the moving. Let me just delete this one. This is the old one which we have renamed. I doubt I have one similar one, so let's give a try now. I'm going to move this one to the here folder. I think I should go out of the folder actually. I'm sorry. So assume that I would like to move it under the DG folder. So here I can come, and here I can do the paste here. So now it has come from that folder to this folder. This way you can move between the folders. So in order to move between the folders, just go to that view or analysis or dashboard and do the selection, and after that you can click copy, and once you click copy you can go to the destination where you would like to paste, maybe another folder, and there you can go and click the paste. This is how you can move the one analysis from one folder to another folder. Now you can see something by name upload also is available here. So you can even use this upload option to directly upload your analysis to any folders wherever you would like to upload. Now in case if you have taken a decision that you don't want a particular folder, you can delete that one. So for example, I would like to delete this basic analysis one. So you can click the more here, and you can click the delete option icon here. It will ask you a confirmation message, and once you click OK, it's going to get deleted permanently from this folder. And then now I'm going to show how to set permissions. Now if you see here, once you do a selection, you can see here permissions, one icon is visible. Even you can go through more and permission from there also. At present, if you see, this basic analysis has been permitted to as a full control to be a administrator role, and as a read, execute, run and publisher control to the BI consumer role. Now you in case if you would like to assign it to a particular user or another role, for example I want to assign this analysis to a payroll manager, then you can simply come here and add the name of the user or else the role which the user has. For example, payroll manager. So I am going to choose the payroll manager here, and to payroll administrator also we will give this access. I'm clicking OK here. Now if you see, you can see here the owner column also visible. If you want to set the ownership itself to some other person, you can set it up. At present as a logged in user, by default whenever I save any analysis, the owner will be myself, I mean the logged in user. Now to these two new users, to new roles, this particular analysis has been assigned. Who can go and read this one? Read in the sense they can go and open the analysis, and they can be able to see the information also. So once you click OK, then these two roles, who when they log in, they would be able to see this particular analysis in their in their catalog. They'll be able to run it out. Okay, this is about the permissions. And properties is very straightforward. You can select the analysis and go to the properties. You can set the ownership of this item to yourself, and there's no much, and you can add a description also to your analysis, and you can click OK so that those things will get stored. Now there's something by name scheduling also, like we already have seen it in one of the video here with the agent, where we can which will be helpful in scheduling the particular analysis as well as to deliver that analysis output to any recipient. Here with the help of schedule, you can schedule this particular analysis, and you can see the output of your schedule also here itself. So you can use the schedule option here. Assume that I would like to schedule this one, so I have chosen schedule. It's going to invoke, and let's see how we can get this delivered. I mean the output of this analysis get delivered. It's asking me the priority and run as user, and then I'm going to the schedule, and once in the schedule I can give time, like at present it's 12:13 EST, so I'm going to give us the current time. Okay. Now it's I would like to schedule at 12:15. Okay, today's date, and recipient I'm going to put my name itself, and now once I click save and run this one, agent, this agent is getting saved, which will have this schedule information. I'm clicking the run of this agent, so that now this agent will run, and exactly at 12:15 Eastern time this is going to send the output of this particular analysis to this recipient whom we have said. At present the recipient is myself, so my user account will have an email address, so to that email address it will send the information. So you can shortly, in few minutes, you will be able to see the report, I mean analysis in your email. So this is about the schedule. So let's go to the home, so that you will be able to see whatever the dashboard or whatever the analysis which we have set in the landing page, we will be able to see it up here. So now in order to set that one, at present if you see, it is showing the common landing page. You can click my account here, and in the landing page you can go and change the preferences accordingly, whichever you would like to see. So for example, in the starting page I'm going to set it up as for example, let me set something which is one of the quick running dashboard. Maybe I'll take this one, yeah, and I'm going to click OK. Now if I go outside and come back after log off, I would be able to see the reports analytics homepage with my dashboard. So let me just quickly go out. So I have not logged off. Let me log off and re-log in. I'm signing out. Let me clear the cache also. So I'm logging in after clearing the caching. Let me go to the navigator, and from the navigator let's go to the reports and analytics, and let it take us to the landing page. So let's go to the tools, reports and analytics. Now this is going to take us to the landing page where we will have our favorite, nothing but our landing. If you see, our landing is nothing but for the dashboard, so it's showing the dashboard for us. You can just click it out so that it will show the dashboard. But once you clear all your cache and come back, it will directly open and run the dashboard and show you the dashboard itself. But sometimes, you know, if your dashboard has so many views, it will take a lot of time. So in order to reach the landing page itself, it will take a lot of time for you. But in case if you would like to monitor a few things and you would like to set them as a dashboard, that's going to help you in your day-to-day support and maintenance and development, then you can always do that option. Okay, this way you can set your landing page also. These are some of the settings which you can do in the BI catalog section. I hope you find this video informative. Thank you for watching, and thanks for your time, and please share this video and spread the knowledge. Thank you.